how to make your iPhone speaker louder. So before you do anything, make sure on your left finger that you increased the volume to the last, the last degree so you can actually hear it. If you're still facing that same issue, all right, you can just go ahead to your settings, and from here I'm gonna just go ahead to sounds and haptics, and from here I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down until you find headphone safety. Probably if you updated your phone, or if you are using iPhone 15, okay, or iPhone 14, you will find the headphone safety above. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just open up your headphone safety and make sure that reduce loud audio is toggled off. Reduce loud audio means that sometimes when you wear your headphones or not, you're gonna allow iPhone to actually decrease or reduce the loud audio automatically. If you're still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do now, you're gonna just go back right here to your settings, okay, and from here I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down until I find music. All right, and from here I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down until you find the audio section, and from here you're gonna see the EQ. So I'm gonna just click on it, and from here you're gonna see multiple options that you can actually use to make your iPhone speaker louder. And from here, as you can see, I'm gonna just click loudness, and from here it's gonna actually help make my speaker louder. And from here you're gonna see multiple choices that you can choose from in order to make your speaker louder. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.